This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. This meticulously maintained home in popular Sajo Farm is ready for its new owners before the end of summer. The sellers have installed a new HVAC system with high-end whole house purifier, turf yard with French drain, designer coastal colors and more. Features include a first-floor primary bedroom garage large enough to park 2 SUVs and a huge fourth bedroom, which can be used as a media room, rec room or home office. Neighborhood amenities include pool, clubhouse, exercise room, dock, security, ground maintenance, and trash pickup. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.